Welcome back and hello from your entire stakeholder team in America's heartland and the headquarters of Pinnacle Wealth in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'm Kevin Engbers, Certified Financial Planner, Wealth Advisor, CEO and Founder at Pinnacle Wealth. We hope you've been enjoying our video series on our vision, our mission, and showcasing our guiding principles. Today we're going to wrap things up on the guiding principles, but just in case you missed some of the highlights, let's recap. Our vision for every relationship we serve is to inspire a life confidently enjoyed. Every Pinnacle team member understands and embraces that is why Pinnacle Wealth exists. It is our why, it's our purpose. What we do rests in our mission of guiding the journey to true wealth. And how do we do that? By being the most trusted guides for financial and life advice. Being your trusted guide requires procedures, processes, systems that have been tried and tested, and they've been refined over more than 35 years of industry experience. They should be flexible. They should be adaptable to each individual and their specific true wealth journey. It is those customized guiding principles that distinguish us from other financial advising teams or firms in the industry, from other wealth advisors, from other financial advisors, and other financial planners. At Pinnacle Wealth, our principles are not buzzwords. They are flexible guiding principles that inspire, they ignite, and they remind us of our vision, our mission, and our calling that together we called to come alongside you step by step on your true wealth journey as your trusted guides. It's important to remember that guides don't do this for you. They do it with you. We plan for the expected and we prepare for the unexpected obstacles and opportunities that might cross your path. We strive to remain focused on your path, step by step, allowing you to focus and to enjoy the journey. As a recap, our Pinnacle Wealth trusted guiding principles are T, time; R, being responsible; U, understanding you to a deep level; S, or stewardship; T, for tailored, that individualized custom fit; E, education the Pinnacle way, an education that teaches and trains; and finally D, which is represented in discipline and dedication. Now I realize that trusted is only spelled with one D, so why disciplines and dedication? Well, discipline refers to the systems, the processes, and the procedures that enable us to deliver consistent and reliable financial and life planning to you as our valued client relationships. These disciplines are built on a foundation of robust risk management, compliance, and governance frameworks that ensure we operate with integrity and transparency at all times. By adhering to strict disciplines, we can potentially elevate your trust and your confidence on your journey to the pinnacle of wealth, true wealth. Dedication, on the other hand, refers to the commitment and passion we bring to everything we do, step by step. We're dedicated to your game plan success, and we work tirelessly to help you achieve your financial life goals. This dedication is reflected in our deep expertise, our proactive approach, and our willingness to invest the necessary time to ensure that your needs are met. Whether it's providing personalized financial advice, designing tailored investment portfolios and strategies, or continually striving to elevate the bar on a world-class client relationship service. At Pinnacle Wealth, we believe that disciplines and dedication are really just two sides of the same coin. We cannot be dedicated without being disciplined, and we cannot be disciplined without being dedicated. It is this synergistic relationship that drives our mutually linked success. It sets us apart from others in the industry by rounding out our guiding principles of being trusted. Being trusted guides underscores everything we do that enables us to deliver consistent, reliable, relationship-focused solutions as we guide you on the journey to true wealth. Why? So you can improve the possibility for life confidently enjoyed. With these principles as our North Star, we are confident in our ability to guide you each precious and important step of the way. We sincerely hope this video series helps solidify why you've engaged Pinnacle Wealth as your financial advising team. On behalf of your entire Pinnacle Wealth team, thank you for that opportunity, privilege, and honor of being your trusted guides. It's an honor and a privilege that we take seriously. Thank you.